All right, all right. Welcome to Tamibe TV right about now. And it's Mr. Laughter. Today, I am very happy and excited to really bring to you the latest artist with the latest song of the year. And it's Mr. Laughter here with you guys. And we have this celebrity corner. And as you guys know, every time we have celebrity corner, we have fun and we enjoy ourselves here. So I have a very good friend of mine, and he's going to introduce himself to you guys. And he knows, I mean, some of you knows him from all around the world. He's a good musician, and everybody knows him. So let's get started and have fun together. Yes, brother. Let me bring you back in here, and we see who you are.
Yeah,
How
yeah,
are
yeah,
you,
yeah, yeah,
brother?
yeah, yeah. I'm okay, man. I'm
Give
okay.
us a cappella, please. Give us a cappella. Somebody
Yeah,
wants to
yo.
know.
All right, man. Should I give you guys the fresh one, the old vibe? Man, I have plenty. I have plenty.
Just do
All
them
right.
any, give them any.
Kila siku imokiwia, mina kujali twende nyumbani. Awinyi porokwena, tina sukali. Kila siku imokiwia, mina kujali. Awinyi porokwena, tina sukali. Yeah, inyaparot. Hinkeni meichwinya, amita nyuti mama pepore matewi chwinya. Inkakan. Yo, Inkakan. Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Yeah,
One
man.
love, brother. One love, brother. How have you been?
That's true. Ah, man, I've been there ups and down,
Yeah.
looking for the cash, the money.
Mm. Yeah, that is the only way to go. Sometimes when you want to eat and have fun, the only way is getting money. That's what
Yeah,
most people
yeah,
say. So
yeah,
it's
man.
always good to have money in the pocket. Anyway, how is life taking you around?
The first thing I need to tell you is life is good. I thank God for I've reached here in this new month, this new
Mm-hmm.
year. So I feel I'm okay. I just give God the glory.
Okay, that's good. That's good to know. Good to know
Yeah.
that you are having fun and enjoying yourself in so many aspects. So,
Yeah.
um, musically, I've heard you've come up with something, but we can get to that later. Maybe somebody who is watching us never really seen you and doesn't know you completely. Can
Mm.
you please introduce yourself so that people can know the first people who are watching right now? They get to know who you are exactly so that yeah, they get to understand
All right.
exactly who we are talking with.
All right. I'm Bravorix UG.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, Basically, I'm based in northern Uganda.
Yeah.
Awero Lebachuli.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, I think I'm a versatile artist.
Mm-hmm.
I go a dancer. I do
Yeah.
R&B. I do Afrobeat.
Yeah.
I do Afro
Mm.
dancer. So I'm a bit versatile. And if you go to my YouTube channels, you'll find
Mm-hmm.
gospel there. You'll find even our traditional music there. So I'm a bit versatile. I'm an
Mm.
Acholi by tribe.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm an
That is.
Acholi by tribe. Yeah, I come from Gulu. Gulu is like my village here.
That is, yeah, that that is good to know. That is good to know that you come from
Yeah.
Gulu, and yeah, for somebody who is going to be interested in your music, when would you say, or when would you tell us that let me say, when did you begin your musical journey? Uh,
My musical journey definitely. I was this kid that loved music since day one.
mm,
I started my music way back in when I was still even in primary, but then it wasn't serious. I used to just do some rap thing. I used to sing some gospel.
yeah,
But then when I entered high school, I started doing the miming.
yeah,
When I finished 2017, that's when I finished my Form 4.
yeah.
Uh, then when I started in a serious way, in a business way,
Mm-hmm.
I think Achara 2019. That's when I released my first single was called
Mm,
Party Mood. If you go to my YouTube channel, you'll find a song called Party Mood. It
Patimood,
was a
okay.
banger.
Mm,
Yeah, so it was a banger, but that's how I started bringing up my music to a lively way.
Yeah.
By then I was just doing it for fun.
Mm.
So when I saw that there's some little thing that come out of it, I started
Yeah.
becoming serious and yeah.
Okay.
So
That.
2019, that's when I started serious business
Mm.
with music
Yeah.
till now. Yeah.
Mm. So yeah, till now you're still doing it, and do you feel like you're having so much fun doing it? Do you feel
Yeah.
like you're enjoying it? What would you say is the one benefit, or that the most important benefit that you can tell us just from
Uh,
music? Mm.
I got something I got from music.
Yeah, something you got from music.
I tell you, music is fun, my people. Music
Yeah,
is fun. First of all, music to talent ma is not easy to control.
yeah,
In your Bodwai or like in Gulu, let me say in northern Uganda, you watch the well, Mukora,
yeah. Jomo
Munyai,
Bale.
Jomo Bale, Maria don't one but don't ye were more dot down boy in.
Yeah.
They want don't Majai.
Mm.
But then, right now, when you go deep, music is employing a lot of kids on street.
Yeah.
Yeah, me myself, I was guy that used to hustle on street.
Mm.
Music got me up.
Yeah.
I got good. Music gave me a lot of things. Right
Mm-hmm.
now, I'm living in a very nice environment.
Mm-hmm.
I'm driving,
Mm-hmm.
so that's all music you get.
Yeah.
So and another thing is I got awarded in the line of music.
Yeah.
So I give God the glory that at least I've made it where I am right now, and I'm still going far because the dream is big.
Yeah.
I feel I've not yet achieved the dream.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
So I feel in like 3 years to come,
Yeah.
I'll be someone that I don't know.
Mm.
I'll be someone who is big in the game.
Yeah. So
Yeah,
yeah, that's pretty good. Ange
yeah,
chama kene jimene beru mere tech.
yeah,
As
true.
you're doing music as well. So mo dong dwaga la pen parang ma ino the music and ma furi ya. But why chaka 2020 ma beru serious, right? 2020 2019.
2019, 2020,
2019
that's when I was
2020.
seriously into the
Okay.
game.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, kira de chao okay, do you have any challenges ma ino in the music aspect or kaya jimene wang mereng wan na kano ko kape?
Let me tell you, in you man, awachi business my can my chao. There's
uh,
always a challenge,
yeah.
and through that challenge, you get more stronger.
Mhm.
So in music, I've faced a lot of challenge. For your music to be played somewhere, my guy, you have to maybe pay someone,
Yeah.
or you need to get in touch with the DJ.
Mhm.
It's always hard pushing.
Yeah.
I think promotion is the hardest thing in this game.
Yeah.
Promotion is the hardest thing because
Mm.
you can sing 1,000 songs
Mm.
in studios, but
Yeah.
then you will fail to release one because of promotion.
Yeah.
Yeah, so you have to have
Mm.
the money, you have to have the
Mm.
good management that can push you far.
Mm.
And another thing is making friendship. So
Yeah.
in music, the challenge is if ka ibere ngat makana kana ke art, at
Mm.
the end of the day, you will not go far with music. So
Yeah.
music, you need to be ngat mati open,
Mm.
interact with the other people outside there.
Mm.
So that's the way out of marketing yourself. So challenges in music is my biggest challenge is I think it's promotion.
Mm.
Promotion.
Mm.
Sometimes you me and the promotion. Chamo at the end of the
Mm.
day, petting promotion.
Yeah.
So it is breaking you down,
Yeah.
and petty time is breaking you down with your brand.
Yeah.
But there's a saying, there's always a saying, never give up until you make it.
Yeah.
That way we are still in the game. Today, Tini Cock, Diri Amano, the child
Yeah.
from where you have stopped. So,
Mm.
yeah,
Yeah, mono, yeah, that makes sense, kira. Ben chamo
yeah,
kene Jimmy no kira te me kere no. pe war maber to al pe ngeni
Yeah.
an kono bitimo gena ngo dire nyo like ngi kero kono kono ber kere kero wa ngara
Yeah.
no chamo kene ga miero chama no de chamo pe so no look attack but yeah
Yeah.
yeah mono with the challenges and the achievement. So your biggest achievement might know in music ma and then last time mama bid wakiri you got a word be
Yeah.
best R&B singer
Yeah.
of the year. Was it R&B or it
Yeah. It
was yeah, it
was
was
R and
R&B.
B.
Yeah.
Yeah, R
Best
and B
yeah.
artist of the year. Yeah.
Yeah. So for this year nana releasing where di ma de releasing ma any me chaka do machel. Kay food and
I
chel and you
think
can.
this year I've just released one
Mm,
single. You
mm,
know, I think at my I don't rush my
yeah.
product.
Mm,
I think that my plan for this year I may only even release 2 songs,
mm.
but with a target. You
Okay.
get
Yeah.
because again circulating a lot of your product there. At the end
Mm,
of the day,
mm.
fans will not listen to them. They will not absorb them the way you
Yeah.
feel like it's supposed to be absorbed. So
Yeah.
at the end of the day, no ibalo guvuni no. So
Yeah,
anyway,
for
I'll
sure,
annotate
get it. Mm,
in a year. If I don't release, my target for a year is always 3.
mm,
But if I fail to release 3, I always release 2 good songs that I know will push me for the whole of the year.
mm,
Because if I release one, takes me like for 6 months, then another one's for another 6 months. At the end of the day,
mm.
that's already a year. Then
Yeah.
I look forward for the next year because by the time I reach November, December, I'm already planning
Mm,
a project of the next year. Yeah.
mm. Yeah, nge like sometimes nge kira dance with the guys in kere.
Mm.
Jomo kene karoni within the first 6 months umira yubwe either Rio on your deck and then the other second 6 months mudongi mira da yuba Rio on your deck because jo kene mira gibet ka trending at the beginning of the year ki we mane mabina diar kenya ne kada towards the end of the year pero ngini loke show gi nga gi no dwong mata so no mira releasing at
Mm.
least way more towards Christmas pa ngi kere inar ke kere planning ke migi people
For
down
me,
mate around kenyo.
my main aim is I'm not looking at the way the year starts or the way the year ends.
Mm,
I see the way my fans consume my product.
okay.
So Anarkera fans are coming up to support my product. You know, there are
Mm,
some songs, Mr. Laughter, let me tell you,
mm,
I watch you again, I tell you, the way Mukana may releasing,
mm.
Makware for paying out of chart, and
Yeah,
you'll first fail to release other project.
yeah. Pero no
And
man food don't hear going on.
and that happened to me last year.
Mm,
I had a project called Twende Nyumbani.
mm,
Twende Nyumbani po ye na car me releasing
mm,
other songs. I released a song called Tiso. It
mm.
was like I wasted that product.
Yeah. Yeah, papa win you know your way anyway.
You never I know you don't know about it.
Yeah.
Even I think I've not yet even uploaded it on what?
On YouTube.
On on YouTube because
Mm.
it was like a wasted product.
Oh.
So I'm waiting for like after maybe a year
Mm.
or a year or two, maybe I'll do it as a remix, then I release it again.
Yeah.
Because then I came again, I released a song called Ginamarana.
Mm.
I remember we premiered with you.
Yeah, yeah. I remember that
So,
one.
of which the fans were still requesting for
Mm.
Twende Nyumbani,
Bandy, yeah.
yet I have a new product on ground.
Yeah, you let it a
Yeah.
bit attack, get it.
So I
Yeah, for
had a
sure.
lot of challenge. I
Uh,
said, now what can I do? That
mm,
way now I came with my management. We sat down and said, now what?
mm,
Next year, which is this year,
mm.
we are going to just do 2 projects
Yeah.
for the year. We shall see how the first project will take us.
Mm.
So right now it will because the first project of the year will give me the
The,
signal or the
yeah,
indicator for
yeah,
how the year will end.
yeah.
You get
Mm,
so I came up with my strategy now. I watch
mm,
okay.
mm,
Kera dong join dong better kumani and be with
mm.
me no style my bad.
Yeah.
So
uh,
this year, personally, I want to release 2 projects.
okay.
2 projects, good songs,
Mm,
whereby whether you want to release it, whether the fans want to listen to one project for the whole year is up to them. But my
Yeah.
main aim is two,
Mm.
unless by the way, I may
Mm.
go for three.
Yeah.
And then next year I'm planning for even collabos,
Mm.
releasing collabos and other things. But for
Mm.
this year, I
Mm.
think I have two projects
Okay.
because from what I've learned from the last time,
Mm.
really, it gave me a
Robert.
really good one, a good one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So yeah. So kada you are need bitimo basically 2 songs in a year.
Mm.
Um, now we minima e releasing this year ni we na nyeng kidong penga you we ni wa kong down ngi kong pian per ta ko to ri wa ni project bi team project ari kan no jo ma ken ta expecting ni ni ri do gidi mer we ma dung ni da wa ni mer we ari ke kan in this year ji dong no one with
You
them
know,
meaning.
first of all,
uh,
me, now, Dano Chala and I compete with myself. That is one. I
yeah.
know there's a lot of competition there in the industry,
Mm,
mostly in where I'm best right now in northern Uganda.
mm,
Competition doing the way do that.
mm,
And I'm competing with myself. Wait, okay. If I did a hit song last
mm,
year, that
yeah.
means now my main aim is also to release a hit song that will can play for even 7 months non-stop. You get?
Yeah. Yeah.
So that's my main aim. In your time, kind of releasing more product on ground. At the end of the day, they'll only
Yeah.
pick one to
Yeah.
listen.
Yeah.
So when you're in the budget you have put to push others,
Mm.
you would have put it to push that one song
The
to
one
reach
song.
to the best way you wanted it to be pushed.
Yeah.
Because at the end of the day, in one artist when we make mistake, Piana
Mm.
na la wara releasing a new song and the
In
American
be
mega
mere
one.
ya in be mere de tuki chere chot.
Eh, so, but man, learning a lesson using your own pace is
Yeah.
the best thing.
Yeah.
Yeah. So,
Okay.
sorry, the new song I've released is called Mame Chwinya.
Mm.
Mame
You are
Chwinya is
nyeng
a
on it?
love. When it is Mame Chwinya,
Mama chunya. Okay.
yeah,
Mm.
Mame Chwinya is a love song.
Mm.
You know, I'm a guy who's trying to spread love. Because
Yeah.
right now, if you go to northern Uganda, most guys are thinking they're singing more of heartbreak. So
Yeah.
I'm trying to mend those
Mm.
the hearts that were broken. So
So you don't la chang chun jo don't you.
yeah, tu ati chang twinga kitu mati pora for ma eni ati well ma become easy for them.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Ko no charge wa ka pera ne kon wa ko wi nyange
All
pol
right.
kar ya ka were ti manyan pol down. Yeah, I will put the link of the song also in the YouTube video here. Where yo ma no
All
ram
right. All right.
downloading jo mi chan na na wa ko nan ke mi ni wa ka pera kon that would be our intro.
Can't it take anything? You the girl of my heart. I carry check to work when you're the queen of my heart. Yeah, kind of the love on the will, I'll buy it for you. Kind of dunia ni will, I will iri. Yeah, kind of parliament katuro fosse. Ono waturo quisan bando. Hey, baby, imagine. Baby, we could imagine. In when imagine. And when imagine. Hey, carry team anything. You the girl of my heart. Hey, carry chip to work when you the girl of my heart. Yeah. Mama chunya megi. Yeah. Pingiroba kuningeoni amari. Mama chunya megi. Yeah.
Yeah.
Pingiroba kuningeoni amari. My pretty lady, let's jubilate. My baby, let's Jarabeda be in. Wafu wabifuru be in.
Yini wax bol dara jali yini ngi fuya.
you know, I wrote this song out of experience. You
uh,
know, Mr. Laughter, let me tell you one thing. There's a way
uh,
love can drive you.
mm,
You know, when you're in love with someone, it became
yeah,
a wang
yeah, for
for,
sure, I get it.
for that person.
Yeah,
Now, as men,
Mm.
Jal kadagano a diwona mera chwing.
Mm.
Iyele diwona wa yen no.
Mhm.
So that's what
Yeah.
I'm trying to say ni chara bi dak pi in wa fuwa bi fur pi in. You
Yeah.
get.
Mm.
Yeah, so basically I'm trying to tell someone that in love you can do anything to save your love.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That makes sense. Get a penny chama kenning. Yeah, yeah, it really, really makes sense. Penny,
Mm.
yeah, market, yeah, chama kenning on nan, again, at it, medum, camo kenning, and we pay carry by chuni, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I really like the song. The song is so nice. I've listened to it, watched it
Okay.
on YouTube as well. So it's a very, very
Thank
good song. Ian Maput pay nano, quite currently, cherry, Brother Rex, UG, YouTube, on your TikTok, on your kamoge ken mai twa no ye we na ambu which kwe mai no bad mono kama ana nge irama chero kono streaming we
yeah.
we no supporting and bene ka pay subscribing channel mo mega bene share subscribing we ko to and bene unong bene piana piata ka supporting our northern artist mono gen ma
Yeah.
piata to twal gen duchu ma wa timo ken we just do it so that we can support our northern artists pen ka wan po supporting gen anga kono wano mi ye wa chunka nget gi kore we no gen
Yeah.
me gunong ko ma yum kida no jo mo
And
ken me
one
jiga no ko
do
ma yum do so
and one
Pera
they come
tek
on.
pera tek ni
Yeah.
chere nyut ma bot Bravo Rex ka che pe ngeyo
Yeah.
Bravo ki choy mene BRAVO and then Rex ti in ngeyo Rex to pa nge bi nge lu ni Rex ke tere
REX.
ma kong moro
By the way, most
Eh,
people confuse that name, eh?
yeah
Most people confuse that name. Name Bravo
mm,
Rex UG.
mm,
Basically, Bravo means excellence. In
mm,
when you go to French,
yeah
it means something excellent. You get.
yeah
Then Rex. You know, I like legacy. Eh?
mm,
I named myself Rex after the king of the king of England. There
England
was a
yeah
king called Rex.
mm.
So that's why at the end of the day, you find myself calling myself the excellent king. So I'm trying
Oh
to interpret the name that
okay okay
Bravo means the
mm,
excellent,
mm,
then Rex means the king. So I'm
mm,
a king of on my own.
mm.
Like
Yeah
yeah. So when you find myself saying the excellent king, so
King
I'm trying
yeah
to interpret Bravo Rex.
Okay, now Dan Yang Ben.
Yeah.
And Ben Opan Yang Ping Ilung every at the end of your song when you the excellent king and on Yam right. Very job Mega Magade Yaba Yabaka Yabaka Yan Mir Chakar ne ya Chaka Kira Karga Megane. Well down with you yard.
Kawaji, you say yours. Everything when I'm listening to any song from you, when I
Uh,
just hear
uh,
Mr. Love Touch, merda.
yeah, but yeah, it's a good time. But you put mukene bara tubes. Ange producer ma ngama you bu wene a tubes ayo you bu kaje ngan makena you.
Yeah, man. But right now I'm working with Atoops in every project I'm releasing.
Hmm.
I'm working with Atoops Pro
Hmm.
because I feel I'm very free with him. We can edit a song. Do you know the funny thing with me and
Hmm.
Atoops? We are very funny. We can
Yeah.
record a song today. Tomorrow we delete it. We will do another one. Yes.
No,
So
no, we
I'm
will
a,
mal
I'm a bit
macho.
yeah, I'm a bit very free with him. He's free with me, and he's like a brother to me.
Yeah.
I'm a guy. I was born a very. I'm the only boy in the family, so
Yeah.
I grew up with the ladies
Mm.
most time.
Yeah.
So when I get in touch with a guy or a man who understands me, who take me the way I am,
Yeah.
I feel so good, and I feel like I've got the brother that I was lacking. You get.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
so that was
Yeah.
me and Atoops. We are
Mm.
always like this. We're always moving. We are here. We are there.
Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah, it makes sense. Get a pair it really, really makes sense. Pen,
yeah,
kai no ngero mama understands you more. I
yeah,
feel like yeah, irama chero kere ma pair tag be no, yeah, no relating my baby. At the end of it all, relationship a pair tag, and
yeah,
yeah, you know you kera mar ke kupu wat ke down no pair tag. Pen ti
yeah.
jomo kai ne chao ken word be peron wa konyi alo remi mano iti ki wat no be ke gi konyi lo ngero mo ke ken
Yeah,
in your life.
that's the
So
fact.
no
Mm.
pair attack ni yeah get makera anybody team now
Le- le- mm.
yeah no kong don't watch out on and kong about videos. Videos my way and manyan ma yobani. Is it coming out soon, or do you have any plan for that video, Gware?
Yeah, this one I'm having a very pure plan for it. I want it
Mm.
before the song spend like uh, 2 or 3 months at least. I'm done with the video, so I'm already making plans for the video shoot.
Mm.
So very soon I'll also let you know, man. Let's
Yeah.
premiere the video.
Okay, that would be nice.
Yeah,
I would be
yeah.
grateful to do some little clips
You
here.
know the problem I have
Mm.
in Uganda, video shoot is very expensive.
Yeah, for sure.
It's very expensive, and right now you cannot shoot something of low quality. So everyone
Mm.
want to appear on TV. So
Yeah.
that's why sometimes you find when you find an artist releasing only audios, Bambi,
Mm.
don't think ni guak no take a pair so
Yeah.
no so magalega bara ni tiro
Mm.
carro me
Little
shishing
cara,
video.
yeah. But also,
Then
angeo,
eh,
ti jomo kene mabe timo quality videos at a very low cost if you know
mm,
exactly what you want.
yes,
Because
yes.
anan, like some people, what they do their storyline, they write their own storyline, and then find somebody walk through that storyline and ETA for your video, and then
Let me
get
tell
get
you.
you know gina and timo only,
Mm,
and I don't makone because you already worked on your storyline and everything. Script when you will only direct you on how to do it. I
it
feel
is
like
very hard. It
yeah.
is very hard to get one person like that here.
Mm.
I remember I went to one of the video directors. I wrote my storyline. I wanted blah
Mm.
blah blah blah.
Mm.
Do you know what the guy told me? Say
Mm.
now, okay, for this storyline, I need you to give me 6 million. I said, wow. So
uh,
at the end of the day, you'll go with his storyline.
yeah. Bo don't think me don't work don't yin don't pay again.
Yes. Yet when you see your storyline is very good,
Yeah.
is it will even bring the meaning of the song.
Yeah, to
But
you.
the
Mm.
person will refuse your storyline because he wants his storyline, of which his storyline is not even matching with the song you're singing.
Yeah.
But
And
now,
then the only thing you don't work with them, you find that there's so many videographers, so you don't work with
mm,
them. Pen and pa mera team gi mama ne yum chunyi, but kono angen manan. Anyway, you're a videographer, engage him duong, but also me manan are respecting ngera the way any and what he or she wants. Not that gen mark team when you went to correct. If you can walk me through what team jim like a makes sense to me ni wati kiri ka chel wak an ben a bit involved because an pa mera yub gi money pian in de nge yup ne er an pa tika mi yo kiri input mo ke kana ye it's my song in tika ti chare ti in mi cha ne ti la teacher.
ah, it is hard. Mostly
Yeah.
in Uganda here, it is very hard.
Yeah.
Uh, at the end of the day, it's like you're underlooking them. I think that's how they think. I don't
How
know
they
why.
look
Mm.
yeah.
I
Yeah,
think they think like we are underrating them or what.
mm,
But at the end of the day, you're killing somebody's brand because
yeah for
somebody has brought out a
mm,
storyline.
mm,
Because I wrote the song, I
yeah
know
in
what I
nge
was meaning.
yeah all the feelings behind it emotion when in nge yeah.
And made me give my any feeling for the
Mm,
song.
yeah.
So at the end of the day, the video will just survive like for a month. They
Mm.
drop it down.
No too much, yeah, because the passion man
Yeah.
man you carry ki chin man you be no can no don't pay
It
yeah.
is not there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It makes sense, kira. Yeah, yeah, anyway, we wish kira Jim well to my bear.
Mm,
Kache nana yaba yupo video any no pay attack to 12.
yeah.
Yeah, may almost chuck me a geek in we can just talk. I don't know what else we have in store. Unyo pi magane ni plan mamigi for inge maga kati yang wan your beach inani tikwiri na ne wai ni by within 3 years I made a bit money so ngo mai tika na for your career in the music kidong
Ah,
bene ke gamo dong la wa chele ana ye a winyu wai ne ti under promotion ni ti under record label record
mm.
label mai ti ye ne ka de gama ngo ma ti ke plan ki record label lo ene make chwa lo wanyim.
Yeah. Okay. Let me start with my plan for the years. My plan. I think ikinge mwaka dek angwan Kenya.
Mm, mm,
I think the way I see myself, angeni, I'll be somewhere very big. And my brand, by that time, I think my brand will be at the top notch because I'm working so hard for the brand. Right now, I'm building the brand. That is the thing that is really making me sometimes feel like tired.
Yeah.
But I'm really trying so hard to push the brand. I want the brand because once the brand become bigger, in future I'll start now maybe signing these young artists, bring them under the record label. At the end of the day, we need to support the home people. We
Yeah.
need to support the home people.
For
And
sure.
then I'm under Madeke promotion,
Mm.
Madeke events and events management and promotion. So
Promotions.
yeah, so I'm working with him. We are now like 1 year down the road.
Okay.
So far, so good.
Mm.
We have 1 hour with him.
Mm.
So we have made colorful days with him.
Yeah.
Musically, I've performed on big stages. So
Mm.
I feel still working with him is going to push us to the next level. So I'm
Mm.
grateful getting him. Madeke
Mm.
promotion.
Mm.
Shout out, my
Well
brother.
done. I know him personally as well. He's a very good guy. So
Yeah, but
I
he
did
told me
take
about
it.
you too.
Yeah, did
He
he?
told me about.
Ari don't be palo ke cho but raj me kara ka texting cho kong. Ari palo ke cho but he's a good guy. I
Yeah.
like him penanti yeah dan mamaro yeah malu way to 12 dak maro ngat mano berati per tek to 12. So program unity for how long? One kere ke tio like for
There's
eternity.
nothing like we didn't sign things. Maybe a document where it will last for 5 years. What
Mm,
it is right now? What we are trying to do, we're
mm,
trying to build us. You get
yeah. Mm,
because right now, if you come to the world of business, it's all
mm,
about building.
yeah.
Build the brand, build the music, market the music, or build the kind of music or the business you're best in.
Yeah.
At the end of the day, uh, you cannot do it alone.
Yeah, you
Okay,
cannot,
you
yeah,
cannot do
for
it alone.
sure.
So that's
Mm,
why when we came together, we spoke. We came with the agreement.
mm,
We didn't sign any papers, but we
mm,
have our terms and condition.
mm,
Eh, so I don't exceed my limit on him.
yeah.
Even him, he doesn't exceed the limit on me,
Mm,
because we are all family people. He has
mm,
a family.
mm,
I have people I'm trying to have people I'm feeding. I have people I'm working for.
yeah.
So all this thing we're doing is strictly business. Yeah,
Okay.
yeah,
Yeah, that makes sense. That makes sense. Kind and you're
yeah.
doing it for the business aspect of it. Now, kila de la pain no nga winyi wa ne tie ki family nga gini in man tie dan ma we no ke le we dul ke te dan ma dong.
That, and
Ki
I
wa ne
told you,
nga
I told
ma
you
o
I've been
tie.
surviving this question. Ah, yeah.
Pero tak ni daro ge
uh,
de.
but I don't know whether I'm single and searching, or whether I'm single, I'm not searching. But I feel like I'm just free. I'm just happy.
Mm.
Yeah,
Ol ol
yaw ni
ol.
mo toro tal ya lo toro tal ma dong panga go kabi por ma da ya.
Bara wirong.
Buta wai kong da wera no no ti wer lo kama en bi na ti ma.
Ingelo
Ka wet
welo inge chao ke lo we wer geno time kom gi so pangi ga mingi ni gwar do
yeah.
time ku bi penda
Let me tell
winyo
you.
e wene ende wa kira time ni ning nong kira ge ngado yen no ma yi no
Let me
time
tell
ga
you. And the storyline behind that song is based on true story, because carry team any name.
mm
I can make it ya tote. A year le marai. Era
mm
o karma dan na wa.
jebere jebere do rombi ka kanya
Eh, so
uh
man, there's a part I say that loka ninga pe bora paya,
mm
lok ninga pe bora loka ninga pe bora paya, lok ninga eh la mego benna kan ana mire ikona lo
mm
nyore na wen gimari ana mire ikona baby I do Love, man.
Yeah, look, we
Jal
ma be look,
mami
we look,
kaki mari.
we look, we to yeah, ma miet kay mere ga get. Ka dong in pegi
Eh,
mere be no jimi na tak.
uh, you'll face it rough. Do you know?
Yeah.
Chamo kena wile chapat pedonya beya because you're
Mm,
thinking about someone.
yeah. It
That
makes
why
sense.
we artists sometimes we sit down. We what we go through is what we write.
Yeah.
Because Mr. Laughter, I
Mm,
know, I bet you have never written a song
mm,
without you experiencing something, without you, or maybe you have seen it happening to
yeah.
someone, or maybe you dreamt about it, or you are thinking about it,
Yeah.
because you'll never come up with something without you thinking about it.
Mm. It
Because
makes
I've
sense,
listened to
good.
several products from you.
Mm,
There's some songs that are touching. You said, "Wow,"
yeah.
you get.
Um, yeah. For let me say, for me, get my polkare. Let me see the way I do my songs. When I polkare experience my work, yeah, and how not even strictly gospel, but also Jimmy Ma.
Yeah.
As long as I do gospel, the things maluba no timo in my life, the things mano
Yes, yes, that's what I'm talking about. He said,
experience money mano akarki, yeah, and then I just want to express it out, but dano. Like right now, way more did kind of wanna tupsi. It's a song, but it's very touchy. Don't chalk get it to 'em, but it's
okay,
just my experience with my mom. I lost my mom. So
yeah,
right now, if we don't, since this year, no, I don't, a bit of pain away, then, you break down, you're writing something, man, very touchy, and then I just forget,
yeah,
and then I feel like, oh, I can't away. So it's been a long time. But actually, when I to Uganda last year, my peer do Kanye. But
yeah,
every time I show because of that experience, my decade and it's really difficult to finish the song. But I'm glad they all told on mod I show it. Yeah, don't down be winning,
yeah.
man. You will love it. Penny. There's a lot
I
of
understand, bro.
things, Manoti. Yeah. But yeah, that is life. So sometimes it's good to write life experience, my down work, yeah, and then that's how
Yeah,
you far your song goes. Penny.
yeah.
Well, kare ke cho jimati abstract to 12 bene. Pachar kama
Mhm.
board 12.
Now a person like me, Anatie Danamati very emotional, by the way.
Yeah.
I'm very emotional, whereby something small can easily break me down.
Yeah.
Ma chama kena ka koko, that's when I can get back on my feet.
Mm.
And to ka gwa ko like for long,
Mm.
it will always treat me bad.
Yeah.
Chama kena ti worry you, no my mindset is not there.
Yeah.
I'm thinking about something.
Yeah.
So that's why I told you that you will never write something you're not
Mm.
thinking about.
Yeah.
So it's always something that has ever touched your life,
Mm-hmm.
or something you see it happening to someone.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
It makes
Things
sense,
about
yeah.
love, and
Mm.
love is something very
Yeah.
beautiful, but
Yeah,
very
difficult
hard to
too.
keep.
Yeah.
Guacamole,
Difficult. They call you pe jam ke de tenching lo ba in don't ko.
yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, Pierre Tech. Yeah, Balboy Kelpe, Ara for the 12 joining the channel and Mera welcoming down to the if you have not subscribed to the channel, also subscribe Tammy Bear TV. Very soon we are thinking of maybe revisiting the name. We're now capturing Jimmy Wang, but right now we're still going with that. Pierre
Okay.
Tech, and also when the new brand comes in, then you guys can just follow with us. We're no Ameto bed mano capturing almost all the content ma kile ye kenyo.
All
Um
right.
we're no bed at least yot ki jomo kene pen jomo kene tung kai ni giwani tammi be TV ni luongo ne tek bot gi foil so giber ga penya ni ti aloka ni ngo we miera nong nying mo mano at least ma yot ki down do you in all over the world me luongo ne but yeah we shall look in that and then see kina no matwa tim ne kere wak be no branding
Okay.
manyien ka te kidong jim wen content but no be like manak me kelo ne kere no
Uh,
wa kelo kere so it would be good that is for the
uh,
channel.
my I would love to really thank you so much
Mm,
for supporting the Northern Talent.
yeah.
My brother, thank you so much.
For you.
And I really appreciate you, because it takes a heart for someone to reach out to the fellow
Yeah.
in order to push somebody's business. My
Mm,
brother, thank you so much. I just can't wait for you to touch down in Uganda, and we chill
mm.
around.
Yeah, should be
And
good. Probably by the end
I
of the
take you
year.
to the source of the Nile, at least. We eat fish from there.
Yeah, we are both chero ba o but a tubes lo sierra kenyo.
Yeah. Yeah.
Actually, a tubes no me ba chero kono ba cho ordering gana right mom a diet full. Ah, nere da no don't right me at kono ba perong lara.
I'm telling you, you need to come
Yeah.
because the one you're eating there is not tasty. I need to take you to the source of the Nile.
Eh, I'll be ready. Got beautiful.
You need to come. At least we tour around. It is Uganda, our country. So at the end of the
Yeah,
day, we are
yeah.
promoting our country to the lower
And
to the world.
and
Yeah,
Kumano though. We shall just do
yeah,
some simple videos and stuff. But yeah, we'll be
yeah,
happy to do that. But no, can do
yeah.
no. Yeah, we can do that also. Could be part of the channel also. I don't know.
I can't
Yeah.
I can't wait by the way, my brother.
I don't know. Get a attack. I don't know. Me
Yeah,
joining one.
I'm
Yeah.
back for him, okay.
Guy nan Jim Kennedy manyan in po we achi waner ken mano
All
around
right.
check on a kere.
Mm.
Better that
Thank
used
you,
to.
guys.
Yeah.
Go check out my new audio, Mame Chunya, at my YouTube channel, Brother XUG.
Mm-hmm.
When you go to TikTok, Brother XUG, Audio Mac, Brother XUG, SoundCloud, Brother XUG. You'll all find my music there.
Yeah.
Facebook, Brother XUG. Hit me up. I'll always reply. Yeah.
Yeah.
Tell
Mm.
me how the song is. Give me your comments. You know, your comment make us stronger.
Yeah.
And probably charge you make my lower comment, but
Yeah.
jog my again.
Yeah. Got a bag on the right, you know, by par.
Gonna back on right. It will be for the good of the brand. Yeah. So
Yeah.
thank you so much. I love you guys so much. Continue viewing our Tammy Bear.
Yeah.
What? Tammy
TV.
Bear Corner.
Yeah.
They call
The
it what?
Celebrity Corner. This program is called
Tammy
Celebrity
Bear
Corner.
Celebrity Corner. Do you know
Yeah.
that word ran away from my mind?
Uh,
Tammy
yeah.
Bear Celebrity
Celebrity
Corner.
Corner,
You guys,
yeah.
by the way, he hosted me last time,
Mm,
and I forwarded to my friends. They were
mm,
so happy to
yeah.
see such kind of content.
Yeah.
It is really good. By the way, I'm going to
Mm,
share all this to my people in Gulu there so that they can
yeah.
also watch.
Yeah.
At the
That's
end
would
of
be
the
good.
day, we are all
Mm,
promoting the
yeah. The
business.
business,
Yeah,
yeah. Yeah. All right, thank you so much, Gerana, for it while
appreciate.
me coming in.
Mm.
Yeah, you want Jomo Kennedy or subscribing ka channel Romo Gera kono ti di wuko di chen kono cha di in de mak ne no mak teach. Ben per ni ti one board kan food channel ti mere ma wela. Para for it while.
All right, brother.
All right, thank you so much. Yeah, staying on there kono wa kong tira recording any then an